Okay, so a really quick video for today, and this is regarding or in reference to one of the recent videos that I posted on the channel. The video where I shared my current hair state with you guys. And in that video, I mentioned that I am suffering through a really almost severe dandruff right now. And in not only that video, but also in the following hair care routine video, I mentioned that I am going to increase the oiling in my scalp and my hair length as well. So my girlfriend saw both the videos and she told me something about the dandruff. She told me that the oiling may even increase the dandruff, the amount of dandruff that we have on the scalp, and this may very well be the reason that I have dandruff in the first place. Now, of course, she have had long hair for her entire life, but that wasn't quite convincing, so I looked it up on the internet, and turns out that may be true. Because when dandruff is caused due to seborrheic dermatitis, oiling the hair can actually make the situation worse. Because that is the situation where our scalp is already producing too much oil. And that is what the Malassezia, the yeast, is feeding on in order to multiply. So if we apply more oil to the scalp in that situation, it is obviously going to make things worse. So that is something really important to note while trying to treat dandruff. Plus, the bacteria Malassezia is something that we cannot get rid of 100% because it is naturally found on the scalp. But the Man Matters anti-dandruff shampoo just got delivered to me. This is 1% ketoconazole. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to go for the 2% one. But I'm hoping this will do because I am also going to reduce the amount of oiling to the scalp now. It is at least worth a try. I'm not 100% sure if my dandruff is caused due to oiliness, but it is worth a try. So I'm going to do that. And if I am successful in treating my dandruff, I'm going to share everything with you guys, so stay subscribed for that, especially if you are going through dandruff yourself right now. But do make the effort of telling me about your current hair state. What are the problems and what are the solutions that you are going for in order to treat those problems? And don't forget, I am mostly available on the Discord server, link to that in the description. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video and stay subscribed for all the updates. And with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.